TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 135. You get the Nasdaq up 42. S&Ps are up 15.5. Gold contract up $24.20 at $12.01. We have silver up 40 cents at $16.35. Platinum's up 8 at $1,090. We have the oil market flat at 60.37. Bonds continue their ABC structure on the way down. You have the 10-year down 7.6, 125.30. 30-year off a full point and a half at 144.24. What bonds had done, folks, bonds looked like they were going to try to surge higher yesterday. You had the price spread. The volume expanded slightly. What we did today, gave it up in spades. It got over the highs on this morning, gave it up, continuing that ABC structure on the way down. King dollar down 525 ticks at 93.97. King dollar is going after the larger ABC structure on the way down. It's going after that swing point from May 14th. We'll see whether we get the volume on it. It looks that it's going to be a very large ABC structure on the way down. That'll get you into the 90 to 88 area. The euro is up 60, trading out at a price point of 113.98, and the yen is down 59 at 122.87. Check it out. Okay, so if we take a look at the SPY first, what you're going to see is this. You surge out there here this morning. We're going into the swing point that was established out here on the 11th of June. We'll see whether we get the juice or not. Bottom line, I expect it's going to get stopped right in its tracks. The number that you're going to be watching is 211.85. We're 211.94 right now. When we had come down on June 4th, June 4th is your benchmark here. We had come down, that's where it was fast, furious, 151 million shares. Intraday out here, we'll see whether this pop can hold. Europe is not holding, folks, so I suspect that this is not going to hold. We go over to the NDX 100. We take a look at the 3 Qs rather. The 3 Qs are doing the exact same type of setup going into that June 4th number. On the Qs, we're at 110.08. 110.48 is the number. That's the high. So the Qs have a longer way to go just to get to that high. We'll see whether it can make the high. When we're talking bonds, we take a look at the bond market. What we have with bonds is this. Bonds are in a very large ABC structure on the way down. The 10-year today got to 126.18. Now you're at 125.30. You had lighter volume as you got up into that level. This is going to continue the ABC structure on the way down. Gold, what do we have with gold? Gold has the wide price spread, accelerated volume, all of the above. Gold is up $25 right now at $12.01. You're going into the $12.04, and at $12.04, folks, we did have a spike high. We did 171,000 contracts. Gold out here today will do about the same. That is saying that gold is on the run now for $12.32. If we go and we take a look at the silver market, and silver has been the laggard inside between gold and silver. What we have with silver out here today is that silver is getting the price spread. Volume I'd like to see expand more. We're at 32,000. We're at 1635. Silver is making its way up to this 1679 area. And King Dollar. So King Dollar is the name of the game, folks. And what you're going to see, and this is where the divergence is out here today, and I suspect it's going to change. And what it is this. The market can't stand the dollar going down. King Dollar out here today has done 32,000 contracts. We spiked that low out there of the B point of 93.44, and we're going to have the volume. 52,000 contracts is the number. Bottom line, you can expect a slight sell-off as we move through the day out here, and I don't expect these numbers will hold. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you like it does me, visit everbank.com/TFNN to find out what they can do for you. Again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. Visit them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.